I was in Tel Aviv between my first and second summers in law school. I just kept hearing about all of the Iraqi refugees in Jordan and Syria, and I got the idea that I would go meet some because I felt that if I were an Iraqi refugee, I might have some things that I wanted to say to an American. And I met with 6 families, and all of them said that their primary need was legal assistance. And as a law student with a background in immigration law, this seemed like something that I could help with. We provide individual legal representation to several hundred Iraqi refugees in life or death situations who are seeking resettlement in safe third countries. We use what we learn from the legal representation to conduct policy advocacy with U.S. and international policymakers to try to make changes to the refugee processing system that will better protect the human rights and dignities of the applicants. We keep in touch with all of our clients once they arrive in the United States or the resettlement country to make sure that they're getting the services that they're entitled to and that they have assistance settling in, which can often be a very scary experience. I think there's nothing more important than trying to address social injustice. I think in the particular case of Iraqi refugees, it's something that I, as a U.S. citizen, bear a unique responsibility for. And as a lawyer, I just feel like one of the most kind of disenfranchised populations in the world are people who are stateless, because all of your civil rights derive from the country of which you're a citizen. So if you're not a citizen of any country, it's impossible for you almost to enforce your rights. And I think that that's where a legal advocate can be the most effective. When you're doing something that no one's ever done before, a lot of people like to tell you that it's impossible, you can't listen to them. I think you have to be bold. I also think you have to be incredibly driven and passionate. No matter what happens, you just have to be able to drive through it and keep going.